How to create Google Meet link for later on. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can create a Google Meet link for later. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step, open up a web browser and type in meet.google.com and go to the website. After you're here, you can see new meetings and stuff. Tap on this new meeting option and can see create a meeting for later. You can also schedule it in your Google Calendar, but let's just go with create a meeting for later. And here you can see the link pops up right now. You can copy the link and then start the meeting whenever you want. So we can share the link. Yeah, so let's open up our Facebook, share it with our friends, and paste it here. There we go. Now they can join the link later on, and yeah, I can just begin the meeting right here, right now. And it's that simple, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.